Hi, it's Chris from Aquasyn. I'm here today to take some of the mystery out of creating a part number for the valve you need. If you want the fastest possible response to a quote request, providing the part number is a time saver since we'll have all the information necessary for your quote. The Aquasyn part numbering system was designed to make the process as simple as possible. Here's how it works. In our online catalog, you will find our part numbering system. The first step is to determine what kind of valve you need. In this training video, we'll use our basic two-way or straight-through valve as an example. First thing, valve type, straight through, code A. Size, in this example, the customer wants a 3/4 inch valve, so the code for 3/4 is 12. Material, we'll select the most common choice again, 316L, code L. Surface finish according to BPE. In this case, it's going to be used in a product contact environment, so we're going to go with 20 RAEP. The code for that is 3. Inlet and outlet choices for the valve. Aquasyn has a wide variety of end connections to choose from. In this example, we'll use the clamp by clamp configuration AD-AD. Diaphragm material, we have a lot of choices. EPDM, PTFE with EPDM backing, silicone, or Viton. We're going to go with EPDM code E. Operation, how will the valve be operated? Do you need a standard, sealed, or submersible manual bonnet? Maybe you want a pneumatically actuated bonnet, normally closed, normally open, lots of choices. Again, we're going to pick the most common, the standard manual bonnet, code 16. And that's it, simple and easy. A12, L3, AD, AD, E16. Two-way, 3/4 inch, 316L, 20 RAEP, clamp by clamp, EPDM diaphragm, manual bonnet. Let us help support your efforts with our valves and your processing needs. You can contact us at www.aquasyn.com. You can reach us by phone at 818-350-0423. And if you're in a rush, you can check out our Aquasyn products on Amazon.com. Thanks for listening.